How to blow dry your hair. That is the topic of today's video, and I'm excited to announce that the blow dryer that I have on my website is back in stock, and it's been updated and upgraded, and I can't be happier with how they came out. The first version, if you did purchase the first version, it's still a great hair dryer, same technology, except now, and I did this because I felt like this is the right direction to go in. The attachments now are magnetic. And the reason is, as a hairstylist myself, you know, the other one kind of locks in place this way. A lot of people blow dry their hair with the nozzle this way. Myself, I like to blow dry the hair with the nozzle like this. So now you can take it on and off, magnetic attachment with, not only does it come with this nozzle, it also comes with a diffuser, and we're going to talk about that today, how to blow dry your hair. So I'm going to talk about the nozzles, when to use them, different settings, and things like that. So when it comes to blow drying, and check this out too, great for travel. When it comes to blow drying, really you have to understand what is a blow dryer, right? It's a tool, it's a hair tool. It's going to help you achieve the style that you want. Now, there's plenty of times where you may not need a blow dryer, let the hair air dry, or there may be times where you're using a diffuser for a specific reason if the hair's curly or wavy. And the nozzle, right, if you want to get volume, you want to direct the air in one area. So there's a simple thing to understand is this is a tool, right? Just like with brushes, right? Also, the vent brush is back in stock. The best brush you could possibly own. It's the anti-static vent brush with the rubber handle, so you have great grip. But literally, this is incredible for brushing through the hair, for long hair, short hair. It really is amazing because it does help with static. There's no static when you're using and brushing through the hair, and I use it literally like all the time. It's back in stock right now. So let's take, for an example, this mannequin right here with wavy or even curly hair, or if you've got straight hair. Believe it or not, I was able to achieve this type of look with a diffuser on fully straight hair. Typically, I like to use a diffuser when the hair is still damp. I'll spray in, say, Tidal Wave to achieve this type of look, because I think Tidal Wave is a great product to help with getting waves in your hair. But this is where the diffuser comes in handy. So there's a variety of different techniques and methods you can use, but the diffuser is designed to be going onto the hair like this, and I like to just move the hair around. I don't like to really touch the hair too much, especially if the hair is, you know, naturally wavy, naturally curly, because I'm trying to prevent frizz from happening. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to let the diffuser do a lot of the work and work around the head shape. And then I'll let it dry, the rest of it air dry, okay? So I'll dry this probably about 50% with this, maybe 60%, and let the rest of it air dry. I just don't want to disrupt the shape, and I like to let the hair air dry, especially with this type of texture. But that's where a Tidal Wave comes in handy. Now, I wouldn't use the blow dryer without any attachment, because all it's going to do is blow the hair all over the place. So if you've got wavy hair, if you've got curly hair, you probably know this, but you do not want to be blowing the hair all over God's creation. Or I wouldn't use a nozzle for something like this, just because, again, it's going to really, really disrupt the hair pattern and the hair texture, right? Meaning that it's wavy or curly. So that's where the diffuser comes in. Now, the nozzle will come in handy for a number of things too. So here's a hairstyle that I want to use my hands a lot of the time, or I want to use the anti-static vent brush. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to work the nozzle in with the brush in the same direction, because you want to keep the two hair tools working in sync with each other. And that is going to allow you to either, say you're looking to remove some weight in the hair, so you're going to really kind of groom the hair down this way, you want to eliminate some frizz. The nozzle is going to blow the air in a very specific area that you can control. If you weren't going to use a nozzle and you're going to use a brush, the hair would be blowing all over the place and it would just create one big mess. So the nozzle is essential. And again, it comes with this dryer. It's essential to use this. Even when getting volume, you want to get some volume in the hair, you're going to lift and you're going to use the nozzle like this, right? And that's going to help you direct that air where it's needed. It's amazing for styling, right? Amazing for styling. And then lastly, what I like to use the nozzle for is when I'm blow drying longer hair, right? So it doesn't matter, male, female, the hair could be longer than this, but say you're looking to smooth out the hair. So this hair is right now, it's very, very, kind of dry and frizzy and all over the place. So I will take the nozzle and I will actually use the nozzle onto the hair like this in sync with the brush. And this is perfect because again, the air is being directed just on that one area. And even with the smaller ionic round brush, the TikToker hair brush, you need to use the nozzle with it in order to get the air directed right on that section, right? So when you're blow drying, you're taking sections, section by section by section by section. And for blow drying, I obviously, because of having my own products, but even before that, I'm usually averaging at least 2 to 3 products in the hair, and they're all doing something specific. So for example, I would use 25 spray as a base for everything. Then maybe I'd use the crafted blow dry cream to get a little bit of hold and some volume while I'm blow drying it to help lock in that style. And then I'll also use tidal wave maybe. I want a little more texture in the hair, and then I'll finish it off with, say, locked hairspray. But I'm using a good variety of products with a very specific reason in order to achieve a specific look. So don't be afraid of using products, at least with my stuff, these are things that I do on a regular basis. I would not be promoting them or suggesting them if I wasn't a stylist and not doing it myself. So again, the blow dryer, it's crucial that you are utilizing it as a tool in the right way. Does heat damage the hair? Will the blow dryer damage hair? Well, the good thing about this is the technology, right? The technology in this is designed to help condition the hair as you're blow drying it. But if you take a hot tool and hot air and you literally hold it onto the hair like this, yeah, it's not good for your hair. So if you're not using any hot tool the right way, if you're singeing your hair and literally damaging it on the spot, no, that's not good. But if you use the blow dryer the right way, I have tons and tons of blow drying videos and tutorials you can watch. If you use the blow dryer the right way, no, you're not going to be damaging your hair. It's actually going to be protecting the hair along with the right brush and along with the right products. If you are interested in getting any of my products, I have an exclusive discount code for you. It's YouTube20, YouTube20, and you get 20% off. So if you were to purchase this dryer, not only do you get 20% off, but it's free shipping in the United States on order values over $50. So on this dryer, you can get 20% off and free shipping. I love this dryer. I stand behind it. A lot went into these. I'm extremely happy with this magnetic attachment. They're shipping now. They're ready to go. And I appreciate all your support. So let me know if you found this video helpful. If you're going to use these tips and tricks, I'd love to know. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.